Hey yo, got a GE profile washer here that's leaking from the bottom, and so what I did is I just came out here when it was running. I took the back off, which is really simple, just like 6 screws I think, to hold the little plate on. Maybe it's only 4. But then I watched when it was rotating or whatever. Try to get you a view on this. And this hose right here, every time that the tank rotated just a little bit, because it does a little sloshing motion, there was a gap. Oop. Oh, yeah, right there. Oops, I don't know if you saw that. There's a gap right here that only when it does that motion was it leaking, and it would seal itself back up. Well, like that, and water's not coming out now. So it wasn't obvious at first, but then when the machine was on, it was running, you saw what was making the problem. So I don't know if, what do I still got a bunch of water in here or what? Apparently I do, but it would drain itself. Like, I'm just gonna let this run out, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully there's not a ton of water in here. If this is in my garage, so it doesn't matter if I get water all over the floor. If this is in your house or something, this could be a pretty big deal, actually. So having just water, every time you run your washing machine, just water pouring out of the bottom, and it would do a pretty good stream, because it would be every time it would do that little turn, a little bit of water would squirt out. So part for this, I believe it's 22WH41X10083. I think that's the part number. And I got this from the GEappliances.com. I think it was like $35 or something, which seems a little much for a hose, but I think that was actually like the best deal I could find. So anyway, I'm trying to keep a light on it while I hold this, but I think it's just a simple matter of undoing the clamp here and then kind of trying to give you the light while I'm wearing a headlamp, and I only have 2 hands, and I'm holding the thing with 1 hand. Hold on, maybe I can box or something where I can get you an angle. Let's see. Sorry for this. Okay. Yes, no, maybe so. Not really. Okay. Anyway. And now it's all acting weird, like it doesn't want to give a good quality video. Come on, focus. Where's your focus? Hello. There you go. Man, this thing's acting finicky today. Anyway, should just, keeping this headlamp on and trying to give you a good video, and with 1 hand while I'm trying to, so just undo the clamps, kind of rotate it off of there, I think, but I think I might have to use 2 hands, and I'm trying to figure out. Anyway, this is a simple matter of undoing the clamps, pulling the things off of there, and then just putting the new hose on. It's really that simple. So I can't do that while I'm holding my iPad here and do it at the same time. So just gotta take my word for it. I'm gonna do it real quick. If I put you over here, I don't know if you can see, you'll be able to see me. Kinda, sorta, maybe. maybe. Okay, so just clamp here. Alright, kinda bring it down a little bit. And work the hose off of there. Which is not coming off that easily. It's kind of hard to get my hand in there, actually. Man. Okay, well, I'm not getting. Well, you can see me. I'm not getting any movement. I was thinking, like it's really stuck on there. I don't even know if I need to clamp, but man, there's all this water in there. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna unplug this thing. I don't want to get shocked here. Okay, probably should have done that earlier. Probably better safe than sorry. Okay, now, why clamp is off. It should just be an easy matter of pulling this thing off of there. Ah, man, it's not even budging. Ah, good night. Come on, little fella. Oh my goodness gracious. Huh. That thing is not even moving. What in the world? How about this one? Okay. Whew. Huh. Good night. I was able to wrench that one free. Almost looks like it bonded a little bit with the thing there. Man, that's crazy. This one, I'm having a hard time because I can't get a good angle on it. It's hard to get my hand on it. And yeah, it's just not, I'm not trying to twist it, but ow. Of course, I can't get a good angle on it. I can't, I don't know if I can do a straight pull. Probably the hose is gonna probably break. My goodness. So, I thought this was gonna be pretty easy, but I can't get my hand in there to really grab it, to rotate it, and ow, dadgum. Okay, so I might, this might be a longer thing than I thought. So, you could see in there kind of, if I get a light in there, it's kind of a tight space, and I'm having a difficulty getting my hand in there. And the thing is really, the clamp is off the thing completely, basically, but it's still tight around where the outlet's coming. So I am going to make a second part to this video. I'm going to get that thing off there by hook or by crook, and then I'll do a second part to this on how I did it. You guys probably don't need to watch me struggling for like 2 hours trying to do this. So we'll be back with part 2. Thanks for watching, everyone. This should have been a really easy little project, but it has turned out not to be. So we'll be back with a part 2. So you don't have to see me struggling. I really don't know why this isn't focusing. Anyway, okay, bye.